Let me say this very clearly. Exam fear is not the problem. If fear was the problem, every nervous student would fail, but they don't. Some students feel fear and still score brilliantly, while others study hard, memorize every page, and then blank out the moment they sit in the exam hall. So, what is really going wrong? If your heart beats fast, if your mind goes blank, or if you feel that frustrating sensation of, I know this but I cannot remember, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to 369 Unlimited You. As an educator, counselor and mind power trainer, I have spent time working deep within the school system, sitting across from every kind of student imaginable. I have counseled the toppers who seemed perfect, and I have held the hands of brilliant students who were failing not because they did not study, but because their mind was not trained for the pressure. Today I am going to show you how to make your mind your strongest supporter. Let us see why fear exists. Fear is natural. Fear actually means you care. You feel it before an interview, a performance, or a life-changing exam. If someone tells you, don't feel fear, I say that advice is impossible to follow. Here the goal is not to remove fear, it is to manage the mind when fear is present. There are some myths to be crossed out. Let us clear that mental trash. The first myth is, I did not study enough. It is not about the us, it is about your mental state. Many students have the knowledge, but they lack the certainty. You can study 24 hours a day, but if your mind is in chaos, you won't be able to retrieve it. Second myth is, I am weak in studies. This is also wrong. You are not weak. Your brain is simply stuck in a survival loop. You have been successful in many other parts of your life. Your confidence memory just needs to be reactivated. Myth 3. Others are better than me. Comparison triggers the pressure that shuts your brain down. You know, comparison is the fastest way to trigger the threat mode brain. When you focus on others, you lose focus on your own paper. These are not the real problems. Then what are the real problems? The real problem is threat mode brain. Your brain has two modes, learning mode and survival mode. When you tell your brain, if I fail, my life is over, your brain thinks you are being chased by a predator. It shifts into survival mode. It literally locks your door of your memory library to save your energy for flight or fight. You did not forget the answer. Your brain just blocked the access. The fear-failure cycle must be broken, not by studying more, but by training the mind. Here are some practical mind training. The first one is fear reframing. Stop saying, I'm scared. Say, my brain is preparing me to perform. Second one, 90-second reset. Inhale slowly, hold for 2 counts, and exhale slowly. Repeat this for 5 times. This tells your brain, I'm safe. Third one is memory access statement. Before opening the paper, say, I'm calm, I remember what I know. Fourth one is question first rule. Read the whole question paper slowly. This moves the brain from panic mode to logic mode. Then, daily affirmations. Morning and night. My mind supports me. I perform better under pressure. Repeat this daily. This message to the parents. Your children don't need more pressure. They need to feel safe enough to perform. So, my dear students, exams do not decide your worth. Fear is not your enemy, but untrained fear is. You do not need a stronger brain. You need a calmer one. If this video helped you, please share it with a student or a parent. I am Indulekha Jayashankar, helping you study with clarity, confidence and calm. Thank you.